Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback automatic. First, ensure you are comfortably seated with your seatbelt fastened. Locate the gear selector, typically found between the front seats. You will see positions like park, reverse, neutral, drive, and low. Always press the brake pedal firmly before moving the selector out of park or into reverse. This prevents accidental movement and ensures safety. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then to start to fire up the engine. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake pedal and move the gear selector to D for drive. Now, release the parking brake completely. Gently and smoothly press the accelerator pedal to start moving forward. Remember, a light touch is all you need to get going. When you need to reverse, ensure your foot is on the brake, then shift the gear selector to R for reverse. Always check your surroundings using your rear view and side mirrors, and physically look over your shoulder for any obstacles or pedestrians. For parking, bring the vehicle to a complete stop, shift the selector to P for park, and then engage the parking brake. This secures your Mirage in place. For safe driving, always maintain a safe following distance, ideally at least 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front. This gives you ample time to react. Remember to use your turn signals every time you change lanes or make a turn. It's crucial for communicating with other drivers. Also, make it a habit to regularly check your tire pressure and essential fluid levels to keep your Mirage running smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.